So I'm sure by now you've all heard us talking about our Quick Dam water barriers and flood bags. Today I'm going to show you another product from the range, which is these indoor water dams. This pack we're going to be demonstrating here contains 5 4-foot barriers, and when we use all of these in conjunction with each other, they'll absorb up to 9 gallons of water-based liquids. For today's demonstration, we're going to be using this water dam to prevent water from flowing into one of the main entry points of our building. But first things first, we're going to pre-activate it. Each of these barriers can absorb up to 3.1 gallons of water, and it will swell to up to 2.5 inches in height. The good thing about these water dams is they are a high-vis orange colour, so you're not going to risk anyone tripping or missing them when they're laid out. So our first experiment is going to demonstrate this blocking off a single door, and then we'll show you how you can use more than one of these to block off larger doors and entryways. Similar to the flood barriers and bags, these water dams are designed to absorb and gel, and that can be for things like condensation build-up, water-based spills, or anywhere at all you need protection against water problems. There's so many applications you can use these water dams for. For instance, if you've got a garage at the bottom of a steep driveway, or if you've got a bathroom leak, just sit these across the door to stop water entering further into your house. Don't forget you can buy yours online at Toolstop, Wicks, Homebase, and they're coming soon to B&Q.